If you lose important data because of any reasons, I will show you how to restore them easily. When your data is suddenly lost, it's one of the worst things that may happen to you, and in order to be able to restore your data, you must know this information. First, stop using the drive. If you suspect data loss, stop using the drive to prevent overwriting. Second, create bootable media for more advanced recovery. You might need to create a bootable media and use it to access the drive. Don't copy or paste anything from the drive you want to recover data from. If the data is overwriting, this means you won't be able to recover the data. So make sure to stop using the drive immediately to be able to recover the data. With this software, you can recover your deleted photos, videos, audios, and so much more. This software allows you to recover your deleted data easily with just one click, and the best feature of this software, it allows you to preview the files before you recover it. And this is of course makes it really easy to find the files you want to recover. So as you can see, the software is easy to use and you can find the files that you lost easily, and you can easily restore them with this software. Now I'm gonna show you how to download and install this software for free. First, go to the official website of the software, and as you see, this is it. And as you see, this software can quickly recover deleted, formatted, or lost data. It's an ultimate data recovery solution to retrieve lost or deleted photos, videos, audios, documents, other files from your hard drive, USB, and other storage media. If you scroll down here, you will see more of the software features and how to use it. This software can recover all types of data. It's a one-stop solution to all your data loss problems. Recover deleted photos, videos, audios, other documents in a few clicks. You can recover ultimate data from text files to videos, locate and restore unlimited amount of data efficiently. Rescue for all data loss situations. No matter the situation, recover any type of deleted, formatted, or lost data, supports multiple formats and compatible with all types of file formats. Advanced disk recovery supports external memory cards, USB, SSD, and hard drives. You just scroll down here and learn more about the software features. Now just go ahead and download it, hit download. It supports all Windows versions. Okay, the software is now downloading. The download has finished. Once you download it, go ahead and open it. Click yes, click next, accept the agreement and click next, next. As you see, the software has been installed. Once you download and install the software, go ahead and open it. And as you see, this is the software and this is the main interface. The software is really easy and simple to use. I will quickly explain the software features. So here we have the undelete tool. This will quickly and efficiently recover lost data. When valuable data is accidentally deleted, undelete will help regain it instantly. Here just select the areas to be scanned for deleted files and folders. You can choose between hard drive, CD, DVD, removable, all partitions. And here you need to select the drive to recover data from. Once selecting the drive, just click Start Scan and that's it. In settings option here, we have more options to enable or change. You can choose among the following scan options to customize scans. Here below you can select scan type. You can choose quick scan or deep scan. If you choose deep scan, it's an extensive sector-wide scanning to identify deleted files on the basis of their signature, while the quick scan identifies deleted files from master file table. I will select quick scan. In filter option here, you can customize the display of scan results based on the filter settings. You can enable show only deleted files and show empty. Here below you have advanced filter. This makes it easy for you to recover the data you want depending on the filters you choose. Okay, after making any changes, just click on Save Settings. Now I will use the software to recover my deleted data from my flash drive. I will connect my flash drive. Okay, it's now connected. Since I want to recover deleted data from my flash drive, I will go to removable option here. Okay, so this is my flash drive. Now click Start Scan. Here select scan type. If you want to recover more data, make sure to select deep scan. I will keep it quick scan. Click on Scan now. Now it will quickly find the deleted data from my flash drive. Just wait for it and it's done. The software found about 180 files. As you see, this is all my deleted files. Now I will recover it. Click recover. Now here select which location to recover data to. Make sure to save the data on another drive. Don't save it on the drive you recover data from. I will save it here. Wait for it to finish recovering the data. And as you see, the data has been recovered. Now just go ahead and check the data you recovered. And as you see, this is all my data. I will test it to see if it works or not. And as you see, it perfectly works. So this is advanced disk recovery software. It's one of the best data recovery software for Windows. You can recover any lost files from laptop, HDD, SSD, USB drive, memory card, and so much more. You can use quick data recovery mode or advanced recovery mode. You can also recover data from various data loss situations due to deletions, formatting errors, and more. It's a good software, so make sure to give it a try. You will find the download link below this video. Make sure to click on the download link to download advanced disk recovery software. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.